Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential feature on LinkedIn that can help you personalize your profile even further. Adding an additional name. Whether it's a maiden name, nickname, or any other name you'd like your network to recognize you by, I'll guide you through the updated steps to show your additional name to your connections. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download it from your app store. Once you're in the app, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you can access your profile settings. Next, tap on Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. From here, navigate to Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage how your profile information is displayed. Under Profile Information, you will see an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to proceed. You'll find the edit icon next to your name details. Tap on it to make changes. Now look for the section titled Additional Name. Here, you can enter the name you'd like to add. But before saving, it's crucial to set the visibility of this additional name. Click on Choose Visibility and select your network. This ensures that all your connections will be able to see this additional name. Finally, don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. And just like that, you've successfully added an additional name to your LinkedIn profile. By following these steps, you not only enhance your professional identity, but also make it easier for others in your network to connect with you on a more personal level. Remember, personal branding is key in today's job market, and every detail counts. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking!